Fucking waiting all day for this. Woo! Finally here. So we have the forks, we have the front axle, which was bent as well. And we took almost 2 weeks. Basically, you just slide these in, line it up. Wow, that one went in straight through. Even. Up, down a few times. And then after you do that, you torque it down to 17. And double check your height. I lowered it just by a little bit only. Okay. Fender. This one, the bike was brought to me, it didn't have the little metal spacers, and it had like these improvised screws as well. So we are going to install the proper OEM screws. Don't need much, just a little bit. So all the way in, just like break them loose a little bit. Now while the lever's held down, tighten these up.